All right. Thank you so much, Rajan sir. And thank you so much, kids. I could see few messages coming in. So Sindhuja is saying you had known Olympiad success, but this is the first class. Okay. And Rishit, congratulations to you. You got gold medal in math, science, and English. That's really great. So, hi everybody, a very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. So, students, as you already know, like we are here for a mathematics Olympiad demo for grade 6 students. I assume that you all are in grade 6, okay? And this is for mathematics subject, which we would be conducting the classes, okay? So, students, like the flow of this session, today's session would be, first of all, there will be an introduction by your mentor, Gunjan ma'am. After that, Rajan sir will be taking you through the course presentation. Post that, I will be taking you through the platform overview, and post that, we will be having a short Q and A round, wherein if you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section, and we will be answering those. And post the question and answer round, we will be starting with the demo session for which you all are here. Okay. Olympiad Success live classes are of 75 minutes each. But then since today it's a demo session, today also the class, like the entire session would be of 75 minutes, but then the class, demo class specifically, it would be only for say 40-45 minutes, because the first half we would be taking in the introduction part and some overview. Okay. So all clear, students? Okay, nice. So let me introduce you to Gunjan ma'am. Hi, Gunjan ma'am. How are you?
Hello, students. Hello, ma'am. Good
Okay,
evening.
hi. Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much. So Gunjan ma'am has been associated with Olympiad Success Family for a long time now, and she has been taking the mathematics classes. Okay, so for your Olympiads preparation. So Gunjan ma'am, a short introduction about yourself to the students.
Yes, ma'am. So, hello, students. My name is Gunjan Jain, and I have been working in this preparing youth type of students for Olympiads from many years. I think the experience is now about 8+ years regarding how to mentor you, how to take classes, how to prepare questions with you. And I know you people, many of you have taken normal classes, but now you came here for your Olympiad classes. And if I talk about the difference between the Olympiads and the normal classes, will be the basics will be the same, but only applying those basics, how you will deal with the questions that are given in your Olympiads. That means normally you have to just understand the question, that what it is asked. If you are good enough to understand what you need to take out from that question, then it is very easy to clear any Olympiad. Olympiad is nothing but just your concepts should be clear. I think in the classes we will do many questions based on that. Your understanding level, your critical analysis of the question will get clear. Okay. So, Aarti ma'am, in the demo, we will start with that questions and answer session. Right now, you can take the session.
Okay, thank you so much, Gunjan ma'am. It's always a pleasure to have you on the platform. And students, as rightly mentioned by Gunjan ma'am, so the like focus of Olympiad Success live classes is on conceptual clarity. Okay, so as long as your concepts are clear, it is very easy to crack any kind of question, any kind of examination, right? So make sure you build your foundation strong so that further you don't face any kind of issues. If your foundation, your concepts are strong, you can solve any question, anything. Okay. Now over to Rajan sir for a short course over.
Sure, ma'am. Let me share my screen. Welcome, students. Welcome to the Demo Interaction program for grade 6 mathematics. Let me tell you about Olympiad Success. So, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. We have Olympiad live classes, and we also have School Plus program. So, in School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken written, both Vedic maths as well as coding. But as students, we also offer one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12, and one-on-one patient classes for International Mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, CMO, HKMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. Now, students meet the rank holder for session 20 to 23. and session 21-22. So many students in Olympiad Success got international rank in various Olympiad exams. Okay. Now, students, about this course, so there will be around 20 students in the class, and the classes will be conducted on Zoom form only. So there will be 3 sessions per week. The days will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and class timing will be 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. So we have a session of 75 minutes. The session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and we will also discuss previous year Olympiad papers. And students will discuss, you will also get reading material, practice question, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And you will also get free access to the Olympiad Success platform for topic-wise mock test, for mathematics, as well as for logical reasoning. Okay. So the syllabus link I will paste chat box. The fee for this course is 11,151. So there will be 50 session in this course. Payment link I will share in the chat box again. So the fees include online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year paper. And like I shared, students, you will also get access to the Olympiad Success platform for topic-wise mock test for mathematics as well as for logical reasoning. Okay. To join this course, you need a laptop or desktop with good internet speed and laptop or desktop with camera, as we don't allow students without video in the classes, and headphone. And students, like like preparation for Olympiad exam is tougher than regular school curriculum because there will be some questions or topics from your upper grade also. Okay. So students will be required to spend approx 2 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum, and parent support will be needed to check answers in between sets. Now, students, live classes for this course, we are going to start from 16th May next week. And currently we having students from 3800 school and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course, students. Now, Aarti ma'am will give you a tour of Olympiad Success Dashboard. After that, if you have any doubt, query, you can post in the chat box. We will answer that. So over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rajan sir. And now one question to all of you. Why is everybody's camera turned off? I can see only Arnav Bhatia. What about others? Sindhuja, Nehan, Shravya, Deen. Okay, for Shravya, her camera is not working. Harsha, Yashwant, please turn on your camera. Thank you so much. And now let me share my screen and I'll quickly take you through the tour of the platform. So students, what happens is like once you enroll with us, you would be getting your credentials to log into the platform. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to just go to the Olympiad Success website and go to the login page, enter your credentials, and then click on the sign in button. You would be redirected to the profile page on your dashboard. Make sure you complete your profile and then you can move to the other sections on the dashboard. So the first important section is the live classes section, wherein you can see the subjects you have enrolled. Okay, so since this is a mathematics class, let me select mathematics. I'll select the topic. So let's say I'll select decimals, and all the reading material, practice questions and answer keys related to reading this decimal would be displayed. If I click on these links, the PDFs would be opening up, corresponding PDFs would be opening up. So this is the reading material. Reading material, you can study from this, and then you can do the practice questions from the practice questions given in this PDF and mark your answers. And finally, you can compare your answers by checking it from the answer key PDF provided over here. All right. Then next important thing over here is the view schedule part. So kids, like here, we can see how many sessions are there. So there are 50 sessions and what we would be covering up in each of these sessions. Okay. So in session 1, we would be taking up numbers, section 2 numbers, section 3, so on and so forth. So like you see here, session 6 would be a test discussion. So basically, like what happens is after every topic or two, we conduct a mock test. All right, so you have to be prepared with your studies and everything. So the topic which your mentor is teaching, and this would be test happening after every topic or two. And at the end, as you see, like we have few classes, few sessions kept for the super class. So basically what it means is that in these classes, we would be taking up previous year questions. So there would be lots and lots of practice, and we will make sure that you have no doubts left and you are, like pro in whatever you have learned. All right. And here is the holiday calendar. So on this page, you can see the dates like on which the classes will not be conducted, and finally your meeting ID and password using which you can log into your live classes. The second important thing over here is the worksheets part. So in the worksheets part, like Rajan sir had mentioned, you would be getting free access to topic-wise worksheets for mathematics and logical reasoning. So let me select mathematics. I'll select mathematics and all the topic-wise worksheets for mathematics would be displayed. So here, as you see, there are 90 worksheets available, and each of these worksheets, there would be 25 questions available. So you have to just click on the button, take exam to practice from these worksheets. The next section is the performance section, wherein you can check your answer keys. Okay, so let's say I go to comprehensive mathematics. Now I had taken up this examination algebra 1, so I have to just click on the view button to see my answer keys. So students, that is all about the platform overview. And now we would be taking up the questions. So if you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we would be happy to.
Students, do anyone have any query or doubt? You can post in the chat box. And Vishit, Harsha, you can also switch on your videos. So do anyone have any doubt? Ma'am, where can we find the worksheets and exams? It is in the dashboard, okay, like Aarti ma'am shared. Okay, so once you enroll with us, we will share the credentials with you. And with that credential, you can log in and you can access that. So my camera doesn't work. Okay, Asha. Okay, do anyone have any query or doubt? You can type yes, no also. So just for today's session, you're going to be on mute. So you need to type on chat box. Okay. Other than that, in your regular classes, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your doubts and everything. No. Okay. Okay. In that case, let me ask some questions then. So can you tell me like the days on which you have classes? Yes, Rishit, you can type in the chat box. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Is it correct or any other answer? Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Yes, correct. The days are correct. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And what are the class timings? Other can also participate. You can also type class timings. Yeah, we have notes. 6:30, and it's going to end. You need to share like 6:30 to up to what? After 75 minutes. Okay. 7:45. Is it AM or PM? You need to mention that also. Your class timing is 6:30 to 7:45 PM. Correct. Okay, students, do anyone have any doubt or like shall we start with the session? Start. Okay. Okay, then I think ma'am we can start with the session. So over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Okay, sir. So hello students, how are you? Right now we are going to start with a new topic, the topic that I think you people have not studied in your earlier classes. Otherwise, all the chapters like number system, fractions, decimals, data handling, all you have done in your previous classes. The new topic which I think that you people will going to start in this class will be your algebra. So, do you have any idea about this chapter, what we are going to study in this? Have you people pinned me? Okay. Pravya is saying algebraic expressions. Now, I also want that you people change your setting. That means your chat should be sent to me, not to everyone. Just change your setting where it is given to, where just change it and send it to Gunjan Jain only. because in this session we are going to ask many questions and you people have to give me answer, and I will see who is going to give me the correct answer for that. Okay, yes, LHS, RHS, variables, correct. Shravya, how to find values, good. Yes, any other student who is having any idea that what is an algebra, what we find in that? Have you done that type of questions in your previous classes? No? Is this a new chapter for you? Calculation. Yes, calculation we do always in mathematics. Algebra is used to find the value of a variable. Very good, Shravya. That is correct. Okay, have you seen in uh, suppose your elder sister, brother, they were doing some calculations with X, Y, Z in their books in of mathematics. Yes, the value can be fixed or not fixed. Shravya is saying yes. So have you seen those books in which in mathematics they have written the letters like X plus Y, Z? Sometimes you people can ask them that why in mathematics, in spite of numbers, these letters or alphabets are given. What is this X, Y, Z? Maybe your father, your mother also uses these kind of terms. Algebra comes from the words algebra. Nihan, that's correct. Now, what we are going to cover in this session will be at the end of the lesson, you will be able to define algebra. That means why we are using it, what are variables, what are constants, how to use the variables to express common arithmetic properties, use variable to express geometric shapes, how you will frame algebraic expression. Yes, Arnav, correct. Translate real life problem into algebraic expressions. Okay. Now, if I talk about algebra, let's start with any example. Like suppose if I ask you, I have given you some condition that suppose the height of a photo frame. Now, if I say that the photo frame height is fixed, suppose it is 2 meters, or then 2 meters is every time when you look up at that frame, you will find the height as 2 meters. Now, if I ask you about the height of a plant, now suppose you are seeing it right now, and after few weeks, you will see it growing. Suppose its height is 16 inches, after 2 or 3 weeks, its height can be increased and it can go up to 18, 19 or whatever. That means by the time its value will be changed. Now, anything whose value will vary with the time, that is known as your variable, and whose value is fixed is known as your constant. Now, if I ask you people that your age is a constant or a variable, then what will be the answer? Your age, whatever it is right now, will it, yes, Arnav, correct. It will be a variable or it will be a constant. Okay, Sharanya is saying constant, Shravya is saying variable. Right now, yes, Sindhuja, variable, correct. Advik, constant. Okay, can you tell me people why you people are saying it's a constant? If I'm talking about only today, then its value is constant. That means it is fixed right now. Suppose your age is, someone's age is 15 years. Right now it is fixed, but after with years, it will change, right? So it will be 15 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. So it will be vary, right? Anything that will vary is a variable, and if it is fixed every time, then it is a constant. You get my point or not? Is it clear? Is it clear? Please write yes or no for this. Advik is saying yes. Yes, okay. Harsha, Sindhuja, everyone is saying that it is clear that what is a variable. Now, understand this. Algebra is a division of mathematics with represent numbers with letters of alphabets. That means if I am saying that suppose the cost of an apple is 50 rupees. So it is a constant or a variable? Can you tell me? cost of an apple is 50. It is a constant or a variable? Can you tell me? What is, yes, Arnav correct, Sindhuja correct, Shravya not correct, Nehan correct, Advik correct, no, Advik not correct. I am saying the cost of an apple is 50 rupees. So that means its value I have fixed, so it is a constant. Okay, so any value which is fixed. Now let's understand here on the board that any value which is fixed is known as constant and whose value changes with time is known as your variable. Okay, now if I say that the cost of an apple is rupees 50, so that means 50 is fixed. I will not change this. So it is a constant, right? Now, if I say my price of apple today is 50 and tomorrow I will increase it by 10. Every day I will keep it increasing by 10. So right now it is 50. What will be its cost tomorrow? Can you tell me if I increase it by 10, what will be the cost tomorrow? Shravya, correct? So 50 plus 10, it will be 60. Now, what will be its cost after that day? After that day, it will be 70, correct. So 60 plus 10, then that means it is 70, right? So every time I will increase it by 10, it is keep on changing. So it will be a variable, right? Whenever we don't know the value of anything, any certain quantity, then we say that it is a variable. Now suppose, so the variable comes from the word vary. Variable comes from the word vary. Vary. Variable comes from the word vary. That means any number, any value that is not fixed. And to represent variables, we use the small letters A, B, C, D, any letter you can use for this up to Z. Okay, but use only the small letters. Okay, now these letters can be replaced by different numbers to obtain different answer. Okay, therefore they are known as variables. Now let's do one question based on this. Okay, can you see this example on the screen? Okay, Bob cleans the car in a garage shop. For every car he cleans, he charges $5. Express total earning of Bob in terms of variable. Can you tell me what will be the total earning? 5C, okay. How you get C here? I'm not able to get it. How you people given me the answer as 5C? Both of you, Sharanya and Shravya. C is the number of car washed. Okay. Don't know, ma'am. Okay. Now suppose if he has washed only one car, then what will be the total earning? Yes. What will be the total earning? 5. Correct. Now if he has washed two cars, then what will be the total earning? 10. That is correct. Now for three cars, it will be? For three cars, it will be 15. Very good. Now suppose he has drawn n cars, then it will be how much? Correct. Here what you are doing? Here you are doing 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2, that means number of cars you are multiplying with $5. Here you are doing 5 into 3. Now any number of cars, I don't know how much it will be. So let it stay. Let's take it n. So we will find the cost as 5 into n. So here n can vary. Suppose one in 1 month he washed 15 cars, so the cost will be 5 into 15. In the next month he can wash 20 cars, so its cost will be 5 into 20. Now maybe on some months he will wash only 5 cars, so 5 into 5. So here this is changing every time. 5, 15, 25. So this is changing. So we have taken a variable for this place. This is a variable. We have taken n name of this variable as n. So 5n is the cost for the charges or earning of Bob. Got it? 5n. So any time when you are not clear what you have to take, what will be the price, then you will take a variable here as n, x, a, b, c, any letter. Okay? Got it? How to solve? This is the general formula you have created, that 5n will be the total earning of the Bob. Whatever be the number of cars will be, you will get the correct answer. If you place, in place of n, you will write the whatever be the car, you will get the costing. Yes, 5 into n will be written as 5n. In algebra, 5 into n will be written as 5n. Okay, when nothing is there, that means it is into. Got it? Now, if I have written 2n, what does that mean? 2 into n. Got it? Is there any doubt in this question? Please ask. Is there any doubt in this question? You can write yes, no, anything. Okay, clear? Once you are clear, we will go with the next question. Okay, clear. Okay, now tell me this. Gargi is 10 years now. Express her age after 12 years. What will be her age after 12 years? She is right now 10 years. What will be her age after 12 years? After 12 years. So right now she is 10. After 10 years, it will be 10 plus 12, that is equals to 22 years. Now, this is fixed or constant? This 22 years is fixed or constant? Because we are not using any letter here, so this is 22. Any numerical value which is fixed, which will not change, is a constant. And anything that is having letter in that are your variables, right? Now, generalize her age after n years. Right now, I am asking only about 12 years. But suppose someone asks you about any year. So what you will do now, suppose someone asks you after 5 years. So what you will do? 10 plus 5. Now, if someone asks you after 1 year, then you will do 10 plus 1. Now, someone asks you after 6 years, then you will do 10 plus 6. Now, if you are asked what will be her age after n years, then what you will do? 10 plus m. Okay, whatever the variable we have taken in the question, the same variable you have to take in the answer. Otherwise, if it is not given, then you can use the variable according to your choice, any small letter. So what will be the age after m years? It will be 10 plus m years. So this is the general formula. That means whatever number is given to you, you will write it in place of m and you will get the age after that year. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? Any doubt in here? Any doubt here? Yes or no? Please write yes or no. Okay, Sindhuja, no doubt. Okay, so here we are using 10 plus m. That means here 10 is a number. Whenever you will find any number, this will be a constant. And whenever you will find any letter, then it is a variable. Clear? So what if you are adding this, will your answer will be same every time? Whatever value you will take for m, will your answer 10 plus m will be same or not? That means I am asking 10 plus m will be a variable or a constant. Please give me the answer. 10 plus m combinedly is a variable or a constant? Arnav saying constant, Pravya saying variable, Adik saying variable, Harsha saying variable. It will be a variable, correct. Every time you will take different values of m and your answer of 10 plus m will also change. Suppose you are taking m equal to 1, then your answer will be 11. If you are taking m equal to 2, then your answer will be 12. So your 10 plus m is also changing. So combinedly 10 plus m is also a variable. Got it? So whenever we don't know the value, so can't determine it. Okay, so when you don't know the value of m, That means after adding also you don't know what will its outcome. So it combinedly it is a variable. Got it? So whenever you are having a variable, its value will not be a fixed. So variable whose value is changing every time. So here just read it. Therefore, read the last statement. Therefore, as the letters assume varying numerical values, they are called variables. Got it? Now, arithmetic properties, I think you people have learned this property earlier also. Can you tell me what is a commutative property? What is a commutative property? Anyone can tell me what is a commutative property? In numbers, you have read this property. No? Yes or no? Do you know what is a commutative property? Okay, you don't know. So algebra also follow three types of properties. One is your commutative, one is your associative, and third one is your distributive. So first is your commutative property. Here we say that addition and multiplication of two numbers are commutative. That means what? Just see on the board. Now suppose you are having two numbers, 2 plus 3. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? 2 plus 3 is 5. Correct. Now, if I do 3 plus 2, then what will be my answer? It is again 5. Now, if I do 1 plus 4, then what will be my answer? Again 5. And if I do 4 plus 1, then what will be my answer? Again it's 5. Now, 7 plus 13, what will be the answer? 7 plus 13, what will be the answer? 20, correct. Now 13 plus 7 will be again 20. Yes, that means what I am doing, I am just changing the order here. That means if you change the order, if you do 2 plus 3 or if you do 3 plus 2, then your answer will be same every time. This is known as your commutative property and it holds for addition. You can take any value of this piece and it will hold. For any number you will do, suppose 1 0 0 0 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 1 double 4 zeros, you will get the same answer. That means any two number you will take and you will get the correct answer, same answer if you change the order. Same goes with multiplication. Suppose you are doing 5 into 2 and if you do 2 into 5. Similarly, if you do 17 into 2 or you do 2 into 7, every time you will get the same answer. That means the order will not change the answer. This is known as your commutative property. Now, if I ask you, how will you write it and as a general statement, how will you write it? In terms of algebra, I don't know which two values you will add to get the same answer. How will you write it in terms of algebra? Algebra means here I don't know which values I will use. So what I will use here? In place of 2 and 5, yes, correct, Shravya, correct. In place of 2 plus 5, I don't know what value I have to take. So what you will take here? Any algebra, any variable, right? So you can use x plus y. If it is a commutative property, then x plus y will be equal to x plus y will be equal to, if it follows commutative property, then it will be equal to x plus y will be equal to y plus x. Correct? That means just change the order, you will get the same answer. Now, this is for addition. How will you write the same for multiplication? Can you tell me? How will you write this general statement to represent commutative property for multiplication? How will you write this statement? Here I have written for plus. How will you write for multiplication? Correct. Shravya, correct. That means x into y is equal to y into x. Or you can take any letter here like a into b is equal to b into a. Got it? What does that x, y, a, b, what are these? These are variable. You can take any number for this. For example, 32 into 4 is equal to 4 into 30. That means it is a general statement. A, B, X, Y representing any number here. Okay. I think commutative property is clear to you. Now next is your associative property. Can you tell me what is an associative property? Anyone having any idea about association? Associative property. No idea? Okay. Commutative property is based on your order. Now associative property is used when we have three numbers. Three numbers, for example, if I do 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now we have three numbers. We can do either 1 plus 2 is added and then it is added with 3. So here what we have to do, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now if I change the order, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here I will use 2 plus 3 first. That means 1 plus 5 and the answer is 6. Right? So here in both the cases, I am getting the same answer as 6. That means I can group the numbers in any order, right? Now, is it true for multiplication also? Yes or no? Is it true for multiplication also? That means just change the order. Now try this 1 into 2 into 3. Make two different type of group here. First, try to do 1 into 2 first and multiply it by 3. In the second try, 2 into 3, that means 2 into 3 here, and then multiply it by 1. We can make one more group like this. We can multiply 1 into 3 also, and then multiply it by 2. What answer you will get here? Every time, what answer you will get in three cases? Advik, correct? Advik, correct? What answer you will get when you multiply these? Sindhuja, no. Pravya, correct? Sindhuja, check your answer. Here, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. Right? Here, if we do bracket first, that means 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 6 is 6. Again, I am getting 6. Now, we will solve this bracket first. 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. That means every time I am getting the same number as 6. That means it holds true for every number. So can you write what is the how general formula we can write for this property? What is the general way in which I can use to show associative property? In spite of numbers, use variable to denote this property. So we are A into B into C. After that we present, you have to tell me. That means A into B into C. Now order will be same. That means if you do A into B first and A into B into C, then your answer will be same. Here I am using three numbers, so three variables because all will be different. So if you do A into B and then multiplying it with C, your answer will be same as if you group B into C first and then multiplying with A. Your answer will remain same. This is the general way to write associative property. Any doubt up to here? This is for multiplication. Now I have to use for addition. How will you write it? Please write down for addition, associative property. Addition, associative property. How will you write this property? Please write on the chat. Everyone, Nihan. No, Shravya, write it in this manner with equal to also. And grouping means using brackets. Grouping means using brackets. How will you are using it? A plus B plus C is correct. But how will you group them? You have to write that. That means A plus B when added together and the answer is added with C is equal to A plus when B plus C is added first and then the answer is added with A. Yes, correct. This is the general statement how to write associative property. Got it? These are the two ways in which it holds. Now, it will hold for minus also or not? It will hold for minus also or not? No? Why? Will your answer be same in both the cases? If I use minus also? No, correct. Because suppose I am doing 3 minus 5 minus 1, and here I am using 3 minus and then 5 minus. Okay, what will be my answer here? Can you tell me? What will be my answer here? 3 minus 5 is minus 2 minus 1. Here I am getting minus 3. Here 3 minus 4. Here I'm getting minus 1. So answer is not correct. So I will not get same answer in both the cases. So here it will hold only for multiplication and addition, not hold for division also. So not hold for subtraction, does not hold for division. Okay, clear? If you do division also, then your answer will vary. So we have learned two types of properties. One is your commutative property and one is your associative property. Can you tell me what is a distributive property? Okay, let me show you the slide for that. What we were discussing. We were discussing commutative property. I think you are clear now with this presentation that addition and multiplication of two numbers are commutative. A change in the order of two numbers added does not affect the sum. That means your answer will remain same. 3 plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 3. Similarly, if you change the order in multiplication also, then your answer will remain same. Okay. Next, this is your associative property. This is how we do the addition. That means if you do 6 plus 4 first and then add 5 in it, you will get 15. Or if you do 4 plus 5 first and then add 6, then you will get the answer as 15. And this is the general way how to represent associative property. Similarly, you can do multiplication also. That is 6 into 5 into 7. I have taken 3 numbers. And if you do different order, then your answer will remain same. Any doubt up to here? Please write yes or no. Please write yes or no. If you are having no doubt, then we will go to the next. Yes, okay. Okay, now next is your distributive property. Distributive property, first, if you see this example, that means 2 into 3 plus 4. Just hold a second and see on the blackboard here. 2 into 3 plus 4 it is. Now, what you will do to find its answer? Can you tell me? What is 2 into 3 plus 4? 2 into 3 plus 4. Now, according to the BODMAS rule, if you have read it in your previous classes, BODMAS rule, that means we have to solve what? Bracket first. So, we will solve this. So, what is 3 plus 4? 7, right? So, that will be 7. Now, remaining is 2 into 7. Now, 2 into 7 will be 14. Right? Right now, your answer is 14. Now, we can do it like multiply 2 into with 3 and then 2 into with 4. That is 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. Right? So, what is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. And 15 we have addition. Now, 6 plus 8 is again 14. That means you can solve this as this also. Got it? Now, suppose it is given 7 into 5 plus 2. How will you solve it? What will be your answer? Yes, Advik, do you have any doubt? Okay, Sindhuja correct, Shravya correct. Yes. Advik, 2 plus 3 into 4. No. Harsha correct, Nihan correct. Yes. So if I'm doing 5 plus 2 first, that means answer is 7. So 7 into 7 is 49. Okay. And another way of doing it is first multiply this 7 into with 5. So that will be 7 into 5. In between we have plus. So this is plus. Now 7 is multiplied with 2 like this. Right? So 7 into 5 is 35. 7 into 2 is 14. And your answer is 49 again. So whenever it is given like this, you can solve it by multiplying with all the numbers inside it. Got it? This is called your distributive property of multiplication over addition. Right. Correct, Shravya. Now, for general statement, how will you write it as a general statement? Now, three numbers are there. You have to write it as a general statement. How will you write it? Please write down. You have to create formula. Yes, what will be the formula? If A is outside the bracket, inside we have B plus C. This is equal to what? Now tell me. This is equal to what? Not D. You have to expand it. How will you write it? How will you write A into B plus C? You have to create formula by yourself. No, this is not commutative property. A into B. Yes, Shravya, correct. But in spite of equal to, you have to write something else. So that means A is multiplied with B first. A into B. Now in place we have plus. Then A is multiplied with C. Okay, so we will do A into B first, then A into C, and the answer is added. Got it? Is it clear? What is the distributive property? So this is distributive property of multiplication. Since we have used addition here, so this is multiplication over addition. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Is it clear, students? Do you have any doubt up to here? Please ask. Is there any doubt? So general distributive property is A plus B into C. You can use A into C plus B into C. Clear? Next. Now, we will try to frame the algebraic expression. Now you know what is a constant, what is a variable. Now, can you frame the algebraic expression for the statement 8 more than y? How will you write this statement? How will you write this statement? Shravya, correct? Let me tell you one example for this. 8 more than y is 8 more than means plus and y. Okay. Yes, Sindhuja, correct. Correct, Shravya. Advik, correct. Now next, x added to 4. How will you write this? Sindhuja, correct. Advik, correct. Sharanya, correct. Okay, Shravya, okay. Yes, x added to. X added to means plus, added to 4. So the correct answer is x plus 4. This is how you frame the algebraic equation. Okay, decrease x by 20. Advik, correct. Sharanya, correct. Decrease x by 20. Sindhuja, correct. Okay. X by 20. So you have to decrease x. Decrease means minus. So x minus 20 is the correct answer. Okay. Now 7 less than z. 7 less than z. So that will be z minus 7. Less than means minus you have to do. Now this is a joint here. 9 added to the sum of x and 9. So how will you write sum of x and 9? First write sum of x and 9. So that will be x plus 9. Now what is added in it? 9 is added to it. So this will be in this sum, you will add 9 to it. So x plus 9 plus 9. Okay, or you can write x plus 18 also. Got it? Those who have sent me this are also correct. Those who have sent me this are also correct. And x plus 9 without brackets is also correct. Okay. Next, y less than sum of x and 11. So first you have to write what is x, sum of x and 11. So that will be equal to x plus 11. Now what you have to decrease in that? Y. So minus y. Clear? Correct. 2 times y. How will you write 2 times y? 2 times y. Sharanya, correct? No, Advik. I think you are writing y square. 2 into y, correct? Okay. 2 times y times, whenever you see times, that means it is into. So this is 2 into y. Okay. For product, we use times. Okay. Next, 3 times. Times means into. So you have what you have to do here. You have to just translate this English into mathematical statement. So 3 times means 3 times means into of a number. Now I don't know what number. Whenever it is said any number, I don't know which number. So let it be x. 3 times of a number, let it be 3x. Subtracted from 14. So it will be 3x minus 14 or 14 minus 3x, which is the correct one. From 14, so 14 should come first. From 14, you have to subtract. So 14 minus 3x is the correct answer. 14 minus 3x. 3 into x or 3x is the same thing. Now, quotient of x by 7. What operation you have to do in this? Quotient means what? Quotient means division. So quotient of x by 7. X by 7 means x by 7. Simply you have to write this. X by 7, x divided by 7, both are correct. Sindhuja, Sharanya, correct. Now, up to here, any doubt? Up to here, any doubts, students? Please write yes or no. Those are having doubt, they can write yes, that it is not clear to me. Okay, let me check the chat. Those who have not given me any answer. Advik is saying no. Harsha no. Nihan is saying no. Sharanya, any doubt? Please write yes or no. Yashwant, you are not saying anything. What happened? Pravya, no. Sindhuja, okay. Yashwant, is it clear? Okay, next. Now you have used how to frame the equation. Now, have you seen any time that where you are using these algebraic terms in your previous classes, where you are able to see these x, y, z, a, b, c, d, s, any time in your previous classes? Have you used that? Yes, you have. Where, can you give me any example? Write down any example where you have, your teacher has used this. Advik, IMO, okay. Sindhuja, no ma'am. Okay. If I give you one question, if I have given you the radius of circle is 4 centimeter, then how will you calculate the diameter of this circle? Can you tell me what will be the diameter? Okay. How you got it? That the answer is 8 centimeter. What you have used? 4 into 2. Which formula you have used? Which formula you have used? Can you tell me to find the diameter? If radius is given, then how will you calculate the diameter? If radius is r, then diameter will be 2r, right? So what is here? Diameter is equals to 2r, right? Or d is equals to 2r. Now what is this d? What is this r? This is a variable or constant? D, R, 2R, these all are variables. So whenever you are using these variables constant, you are using algebra only. Okay, so you people have used algebra in your later classes. Only the thing is you people don't know. So whenever you are using any formula, you are having any general statement, general formula to find anything, you are using algebra. Now, can you tell me if you are having length and breadth? I suppose that length is L and breadth is B. How will you calculate the perimeter of the rectangle? How will you calculate it? Perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, Shravya. Perimeter I am asking, not area. What is the perimeter? Advik correct? Shravya correct? Nihan correct? Yes, correct. Now what we will do to find the perimeter? That means perimeter is the outside boundary. This is your L, this is your L, this is B, this is B. To find the perimeter, that means boundary L plus B plus L plus B. L plus B plus L plus B, that is equals to 2L plus 2B, or we can say 2 into L plus B, right? So this is also an algebra where you are having any formula. Can you write any formula that you know on the chat apart from this that is written on the blackboard? Can you write any formula that you have used in the previous class? Use algebra to write the formula. 4s is what? You have to write that also. S into S is what? You have to write that. L into B is what? You have to write that. So if you are using S into S, S into S is what? Area of square, side into side. S into S is, will it come S? Will it be equal to S? No, this value and this value are different. So we have to use different variable for this. So S into S is A. This is not equal to S. So here, if area we have to calculate, side is given as 4. So 4 into 4 will be equal to 16. That is different. And here both are same. So S into S, we use same variable for both and different variable for area. Got it? So these are two variables we have used. Now please use the algebraic formula to express the area of rectangle. How will you write? Please write equals to also. Do not leave it as A, L into B. For all variables, we use single letter. You will not write complete name for that. Use letters for that. Use letters to express this. Yes. Sindhuja, correct. Saranya, correct. But in place of area, you have to write a variable for this place. You people are saying that area is equal to length into breadth. So for every term, you have to use separate variable for this. Okay. So this will be for area, I am using A. Length is different. I will not use A for this. So this will be L. Breadth is also different from all. So this is A equal to L into. Do not write area. Use for area also a separate variable A. Got it? Clear? Now, one last question for this. Okay. Now, any shape is given. Shape that means it can be square. Regular shape, that means it is having equal sides. Shape can be square, it can be hexagon, it can be octagon. So how will you calculate the perimeter of the shape? How will you calculate the perimeter of this shape? Can you give me any formula to find the perimeter? Perimeter means for square, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now for hexagon, that means it is having 6 sides. So perimeter will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For octagon, means whatever shape is given to you, you will be able to find the perimeter. Give me the formula. Suppose you have to create any programming for that, and any customer will give you any input that my shape is 9 nanogon. How will you calculate the perimeter? Every time you will use this formula and you will get the correct answer. For square, it is 4 into S, but I want a general formula. Okay, if I give the side as 1 centimeter, every side is 1 centimeter. Then N into L, correct. Okay, correct. Suppose the side is 1 centimeter. Now for square, you will do 4 into 1 centimeter. For hexagon, what you will do? For hexagon, you will do 6 into 1 centimeter. For octagon, you will do 8 into 1 centimeter. Now, if any shape is given to you, then you will do what? N into 1 centimeter. Now, suppose this 1 centimeter is also not given and user is giving you the side also. What should be the size? The side, suppose it is 2 centimeter. So every time you have to multiply 2 with it. So we can use separate variable to find the sides also. So it will be n into s, right? S, what is n here? The shape. And what is s here? The side length. Side length. So if your shape is heptagon means heptagon is 7-sided. Heptagon means 7-sided. Or if I say pentagon is 5-sided. So what I have to use for perimeter? Heptagon, this side, number of sides are 7. Yes, 7. Side length, suppose I am given 2 centimeters, so perimeter will be 14 centimeters. Is it clear? So for pentagon, it will be, suppose S given is 3 centimeter. So it will be for pentagon perimeter will be 5 into 3, that is equal to 15 centimeter. So every time, whatever input you have to take from the user, you create it as variable, you give different values to it and your answer will be calculated. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? Okay, one more thing. One, you will read the matchsticks pattern. Okay, now if you see the pattern here, matchstick pattern, you have created L shape using the matchstick. In the first pattern, you have used 2 matchsticks. Is it clear to everyone? Just see the question here. Here you have created 2 matchsticks. One is this and one is this. Now for second pattern, you have used 4 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. For next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So can you tell me on the next pattern, how many matchsticks will be there? On the next pattern, how many matchsticks will be there? Okay. Pravya, correct. Sindhuja, correct. Advik, correct. Yashwant, correct. Harsha, correct. Nihan, correct. 8 is the correct answer. Now, if I ask you, how many matchsticks will be there on the 10th pattern? This is first pattern, this is second pattern, this is third pattern. Okay, everyone is saying me 26, correct. Now, if I say on the nth pattern, how many matchsticks will be there? Nth pattern. Now the number is not fixed. Whatever be the value of n is given, you will get the correct answer for the formula you will place. Into n. No. What is into n? Two into n. Advik is saying 2 into n. Sindhuja 2 into n. Okay. In this you are having 2 matchsticks, 4 matchsticks, 6 matchsticks, n matchsticks. Number of pattern, if I'm talking about, this is first pattern, this is second pattern, this is third pattern, this is fourth pattern. So here, if you multiply it by 2, you will get 2 here. Here, if you multiply it by 2, you will get 4. Here, you will multiply it by 2, you will get 2. Now, here also you will multiply it by 2, you will get 8. Now, for n pattern, I am asking, so number of matchsticks will be, that is multiplied by 2, that means n into 2. That means whatever pattern is asked to you. Now, if I give you 19th pattern, on the 19th pattern, how many matchsticks will be there? So answer will be 38. That means 19 into 2. In place of n, I will write 19. So my programming becomes like that. Enter any value of n. How many pattern you want? Suppose it is 40th, 400th pattern is there. For how many matchsticks will be required? Simply answer or coding is done according to 2 into n. Whatever user give you the value 400, okay, 2 into 400 you have to. Clear? This is how you make the formula according to any pattern. Is it clear how to create the formula using the pattern? Any doubt? Should we go to the next slide? Please write yes or no. Can we move to the next slide, students? No, ma'am. Sindhuja, we should not go. Do you have any doubt? Okay, next question. Let Mala's age is Z years. I don't know what is the age right now. I'm assuming that it is Z years. Can you tell me what is the first answer? What will be her age after 5 years? What will be her age after 5 years? Z plus 5. Correct, everyone. Because after 5 years, you have to add 5 in the current age. So Z plus 5 is the correct answer. Second answer. What will be her age 3 years back? Before 3 years, what will be her age? So first answer is Z plus 5. That is correct. Before 3 years. Right now, I am 16. 3 years before, I will be 16 minus 3. So right now, if I am Z, 3 years before, it will be Z minus 3. Clear? Okay. Next question. Mala's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her father? What is the age of her father? Right now, her age is Z. Her father's age is 6 times. So what will be the age? 6 times her age. Now, what we have to use? In place of her age, I will use Z. 6 times Z is equal to 6 into Z, or you can say 6Z. Clear? Any doubt? Next. Mala's father's age is 4 years more than 5 times Mala's age. Pravya, correct. Saranya, no, not correct. What is her father's age? First, write 5 times Mala age. How will we write 5 times Mala age? Use, just break the sentence into different parts and then join it. 5 times Mala age. If I have to use, then I will write 5 into Z, or this is equal to 5Z. Okay. 4 years more than. So that means I have to add 4 in that. 4 years more than 5 times Mala age, that I have already created. 4 plus 5Z. So Mala's, right now, Mala's father age, whenever you will see is, are, am, was, were, will, then it is equal to. This is, are, am is represented by equal to. So Mala's father age. Mala's father's age is equal to, is means equal to 4 years. 4 years means more than means plus. 5 times, 5 into Mala's age. What I have taken? Z. So this is your complete algebraic expression for this Mala's father age. Now I have written Mala's father age as it is. You can take any variable also. Y equal to 4 plus 5Z. Okay. Is it clear? Should we move? Okay. Next. Observe this pattern. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Can you tell me what will be the number after X? Now you can say that there is no X here. What they are asking, suppose first number is X. So how will you get the next number? What is the general rule applied here to get the next number? If this is 3, then how will we get this number? What is added here? What is added in the previous number to get the next number? Can you find what we are doing every time? 3 is, what is added in 3 to get 7? 4. What is added in 7 to get 11? 4, right. What is added in, that means every time you are adding 4 and you will get the next number. Now, if your next number is X, then what is the next number here? If number is x, so what is the number after x? What is the number after x? Write complete with variable, not plus 4. What is that number? X plus 4, correct. So number is x plus 4. If number is x, then next number will be x plus 4. Clear? What is the number before x? Now suppose this is x. So what is the number before it? How will you get it? Now this number is 19. How will you get the previous number? What you will do in that? Minus 4. Correct. So if your number is x, to get the previous number, what we have to do? X minus 4. Then we will get next number as x, not 4 minus x. We have to subtract 4 from the number. So x minus 4 is the correct answer. So what is the second number after x? That means if one number is x, next number is y, then it is z. Then how will you get this z in terms of x? So what is y here? X plus 4. Now to get z, what you will add? To get the value of z, what you will add in x? No, Sharanya. Sindhuja, correct? What you will add to get z? Yes, Advik, correct. Shravya, not correct. Every time your answer should be correct, whatever your value you are taking. It is 10. Okay, okay. So x plus 4, y is the next number. So in this you will add plus 4 again. So x plus, in this again you will add 4. So x plus 4, or you can say x plus 8. To get the second number after x, you will get x plus 8. Okay, clear? Now, 10th number after x, what you will do? For getting the second number, what you have done? X plus 2 into 4. To get the third number, what you will do? X plus 3 into 4. For the next number, you have done x plus 4. That means 1 into 4 you have done. To get the 10th number, what you will do here? X plus, to get the 10th number after x. In the bracket, what I will write? X plus 10 into 4. To get the 10th number after x. X plus 10 into 4 or x plus 40. All are correct. Got it? Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Okay, can you write what is the nth pattern here? What will be the nth pattern? What formula we have used to get all this number? What it is? No, Shravya. Okay, x plus 8, correct. Plus 8 is also correct. X into 2 is not correct. This is multiple of what? These are multiples of what? 8, right? This is multiple of 8. 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3, 8 into 4. Now, to get n pattern, what will be here? This is first, this is second pattern, this is third pattern, this is fourth number. To get the nth number, what should come here? 8 into n, correct. 8 into n is correct. To get the nth pattern, that means nth pattern means whatever, if I am asking you fifth number, then you will write 8 into 5 and you will get the fifth number. Is it clear, students, to how to get the formula? And this is the last question for today. What is the general rule that gives the number of matchsticks in terms of the number of triangle as shown in figure? What is that? The options are given A, B, C, D. What is the general rule here? Which rule? That means if you write in place of x, first pattern if you want to take out, then you will put x equal to 1 and you will get the number of matchsticks. If you put x equal to 2, you will get the number of matchsticks in the second pattern. What is the correct answer? A, B, C or D? Here x is the number of pattern. number of pattern. Here, this is the first pattern. Number of matrices used are 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is the second pattern. And these are number of matchsticks. This is the second pattern, and number of matchsticks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Here, third pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. This is fourth pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what general term for nth pattern? Just see here what they have done. What is the relation coming in these? Is there any relation? Saranya correct? Advik not correct? That means if you are choosing 3x plus 1, that means your number of matchsticks should come correct. In place of x, if I write 1, so this 3 into 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Number of matchsticks are coming as 4, but here answer is 3. So this is not correct. If I am using 4x plus 1, so write in place of x, use for first pattern. That means for first pattern, it will be 4 into 1 plus 1. Answer is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So this is also not correct because number of matchsticks are 3 here. Now, this is also not correct. Use 2x. 2x means for first pattern, it will be 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Number of matchsticks coming is 2, but here it is 3. So this is also not correct. Now, 2x plus 1. Use this formula. For first pattern, my x will be 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Yes, this is coming correct. Let's check for second pattern also. For 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. That means in place of x, I will write x equal to 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1. That is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Yes, this is correct. And here if you see also, this number is 2. It is doubled and then 1 is added. It is doubled. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, 7, correct. 4 is doubled, 8, and then 1 is added, 9 is coming. So general formula is 2x plus 1. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Now this was the last question. I think a concept about algebra, what we are going to do in this chapter is clear to you. Now, any doubt or anything that you feel that is not able to meet, this is complete new chapter for you. Is it clear, students? Please write yes or no, how you like the today's session. Is it clear? How much percentage is clear to you? You can write it in percentage also. Or any comments that you feel it good, bad, not clear, clear, anything you can write. Advik, Harsha, Nihan, Sharanya, Shravya, I want feedback from all your Yashwant, Sindhuja. Okay, Advik, thank you. Sharanya, thank you. Okay, yes. Good, Shravya. Harsha, great. Okay. It was nice, ma'am. Okay, Shravya, you got 100%. Okay. Advik, correct. Yashwant, what about you? Nihan? Okay, Sindhuja, great. Okay, I think many of you are clear, and if you are not, then we will do more questions based on these algebra concepts. Shravya, good. We will do some more questions based on these in the classes that will clear your concept. And right now I'm ending the session. Goodbye. Take care. Bye.